Lucky Lister's Realty, this is Lester.
Hi Lester, this is Betsy Broker at Buyer's Best Realty. I'm interested in showing one of your listings.
Oh, that's great. What property would you like to show?
2468 Creaky Door Lane. And I'd like to show today between 4 and 5.
Okay, this listing is on a SentriLock lockbox. Are you a SentriLock subscriber?
No, I'm coming from out of town and I don't have SentriLock.
I see. Well, that's no problem. You'll just need to access the box via SentriConnect. Have you ever used SentriConnect?
No, I've never used it. Can't you just give me a combo?
Well, I take the security of my sellers very seriously, and for that reason, I don't use combo lockboxes. My MLS has posted instructions and a video on their website at ppar.com/SentriConnect. Basically, you'll just need to download the SentriConnect app to your smartphone and set up a free account. It only takes a couple of minutes, and you'll only have to do it once. I'll grant you access through SentriConnect and send you an invitation to download the app. I'll just need your email address.
Sure, it's buyersbestbetsy@realitymail.com.
Got it. Once you get logged into SentriConnect, your app will automatically have access to this lockbox from 4 to 5 this evening.
Thanks, Lester.
You bet. Hope to see an offer. That means Betsy's not a PPMLS participant and therefore is eligible for SentriConnect access.
Isn't it nice to have security and convenience all wrapped up in one package? Our team of MLS Superheros are here to empower you to get the most functionality out of your SentriLock subscription. For SentriLock questions, please contact our team of MLS Superheroes. 719-633-7718, option 2.